Hello everybody, it is Magic Miss Mackenzie here. Welcome to my magic show. I've got some farm animals here on my farm. What's this farm animal? Neigh! 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 It's a horse. Clip clop, clip clop. This is my second animal. Oink oink. The pig loves to roll around in the mud. Oink, oink. My third animal goes moo, moo. My animal's got horns. It's a cow. And my fourth animal is here. Ba, ba, ba. That's right, everybody. It's a sheep. Now I'm going to do a magic trick. I'm going to say my magic words and see if I can make one of my animals disappear. Ready? Abracadabra, alakazoom, make one of my farm animals disappear.
Which one has disappeared? It is not the horse. It is not the pig. It is not the sheep. Which one is it? That's right, it is the cow. Now everybody, we're going to make another one disappear. Everybody, you need to close your eyes and I will say my magic spell. Close your eyes. Abracadabra, alakazam, make one disappear.
Our spell worked. It's not the horse that's disappeared. It's not the sheep that's disappeared. Which animal disappeared? The animal that likes rolling in mud goes oink oink. It's the pig. The pig disappeared.
We're going to play another magic disappearing game. Right, I have the 4 farm animals. I have the goat with 2 long curly horns who trots along. And then I have a cat, meow, who loves chasing the rats around the farm. Meow. And then I have some piglets here. They love rolling around in mud. And then we have 2 chickens. Chickens have feathers and they love to eat corn and they make this sound. Okay, everyone. This is going to be a little bit trickier. We're not just going to make one disappear, but we're going to make 2 disappear. Everybody close your eyes as I say the magic spell. Abracadabra, alakazam, let's make 2 disappear.
The spell worked. 2 of the animals have disappeared. Let's have a look. It's not the cat. The cat is still here. Meow. It's not the chickens. They're still here at the farm. Can you remember which animal was here? It looks a little bit like a sheep. It's got horns. It's great at jumping and climbing. It was the goat. The goat has disappeared. Ooh, now I'm thinking about which animals were here. They were babies. They go oink oink. That's right, the piglets disappeared. Thank you for playing with Magic Mackenzie. Bye everyone.